Welcome back to my channel. I'm KayaKosmetics. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going out with my best friend, and you know, we like to step. So I had to give y'all a look. I'm giving you lime green. I'm giving you neon. Yes, I'm giving you a vibe, baby. So, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, and I'm going to give you a full makeup tutorial. I'm going to give you a little hair tutorial too on how I got my hair nice and wavy. Not the side part or anything, but wavy look. And my hair is from Premium Lace Wiz. Now, if you haven't seen my review on this hair, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. So, make sure you check that out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more. So I'm going in with my LA Colors brow pencil. This is in a color dark brown, and I'm just kind of lining my brow the way it goes. Now my brows are under construction because I need to get them waxed, but I just don't have a time, so they're looking a little jank, but you know, I'm gonna make it do what it do. Now I'm taking an angled brush in my Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm going to just line my brows underneath. I'm going to highlight it. Now my camera keeps doing this bright thing. I guess the way I was sitting towards the light, it was messing up my view. But yeah, so I'm just going to take that at the bottom and the top. And just going to blend it in. Now I'm going in with my blending brush. I'm using the palette from Morphe. It's the 35B palette. It's the one with all the colors. And I'm taking this little burgundy kind of color, kind of pinkish color. And I'm just blending that in all in my crease. So now I'm going in with this like dark purple that's from the same 35B Morphe palette. And I'm blending that into that pink. And that's really the key to getting this really nice color. I'm just blending it out. And now I took the black that's in that palette as well. And I'm just putting that color on top for my cut crease. This is the NYX eye pencil, jumbo eye pencil, and it's in the color Milk. I'm taking a small brush and I'm going to do my cut crease with that brush. I find it easier to use a smaller brush to do a cut crease just because you can get more precise with it. So I'm doing my cut crease with that. This is primer and it's in the color Milk. So I'm just doing that, filling it in. I'm taking that same blending brush I used earlier and I'm just cleaning up where I put some extra primer at. So now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow in the color Shock Factor. And I'm going to just pat that into my crease, cut crease with a flat brush. And the more that I'm kind of like packing it on so you can't really see it because it's so bright, but I'm packing it on so you can really get that color so it can look very pigmented and pretty. So I did my other eye off camera, and right now I'm taking this liquid eyeliner. I can't really tell y'all where I got it from. I done had it for so long. It's like huge, so yeah. Just taking that liquid eyeliner. You can use any liquid eyeliner. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be the same one as me for you to get this same look. So just take that liquid eyeliner and I'm just dragging it across my lid basically. I work my way from the front, well, from the middle, and then I go to the front. But I like to go back and fill it in some. Now I'm putting on my eyelashes. And these lashes came from Grace. They're called Grace eyelashes, like 3D mink eyelashes. And I got them from the hair store. I don't know if they have a website, but I'll put all that in a description box. And I use hair glue to put my lashes on. It lasts longer. Now I'm taking my Maybelline, I think it's called Great Lash mascara, and I'm just going up under my lashes, so because I had like eyeshadow all in my eyelashes. Now I'm taking my Lancôme foundation in the color 465, and I'm using my beauty blender. Taking me a minute, but I'm using my beauty blender and I'm just kind of dabbing it all over my face. I like to use a beauty blender because I feel like it covers up every single flaw, anything, and then it doesn't wipe off like if you use a brush. So that's just my preference to use a beauty blender. Now I'm using my Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. Again, I'm just putting that up under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin, the top of my lip, like above my cupid's bow. And I'm going to go back and put it like right in between my eyebrows. And you kind of want to just highlight every part that the sun would hit. So I'm going in, I'm just getting all those spots. Now that I blended all of that in, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. And I'm using the darkest color in that palette. And I'm just following my cheekbones with the angle kind of brush. And I'm just following my cheekbone. I'm going to put it on the sides of my nose on the sides where I put the highlight before. And I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. Just so my forehead don't be looking that big, and take it in a little bit. So I'm blending that out with a blending brush, and you want to make sure you blend really good. You don't want anything to be looking like mediocre. So now I'm taking another brow pencil, but I'm using it as a lip liner. Remember, ladies, you can use makeup for multiple things, so use your makeup however you want to use it. So I'm using my brow pencil as my lip liner, and I kind of overline my top lip just so it can look real full and cute. And I'm just taking it, I'm lining it. Now I'm taking my NYX lingerie matte lip, and I'm just going in there and blending it together. Now I'm taking my MAC lip gloss in the color Dreamy, and I'm just putting that over that lip combo. And I'm going to take some clear gloss. This is from the hair store. It's like $1. or $2. And I'm putting that over it. I like to pack on a lip gloss because, yeah, it's just cute to me and it's my preference. So if you like a lot of lip gloss, this is a good lip combo for you. Now I'm taking this black eye pencil and I'm just lining my waterline with it just to pull the look together and complete it. Just like something was missing, so I added that. Now I'm taking my hair down and I'm just going to use my water bottle. I did my hair earlier, but I had it pinned up, so it kind of got stuck like that. So I had to put some water on it, revive my hair. And I'm just spraying it all over, kind of running my hands through it. I don't too much like to brush this hair or comb it because I don't like too much shedding. So I think running my hands through it just to detangle it a little bit. It's not bad, so it's not too much hair shedding, but I just like to use my hand. I will, if I can have minimum sheddage, I will. So, yeah. After I finish scrunching my hair, I'm going to get into my outfit for the club. And we're done. We're ready. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And follow me on Instagram at KayaKosmetics. Thanks for watching, guys.